This is the application, and let's start it. Let's create a new vault. So this is my location. So what I'm going to do is just quickly shifting the location from here, sorry, to somewhere near my home. And then next I am giving the range of 10 meter, and then next, then what is my message? This is the test location message. Collect keys. I can make it fun. I mean, if you want something cross check, that enable AR camera on level is something just for fun. It's not doing any specific. And then in the notification sound, there's a two type of the sound. One is the notification sound which play once, like a beep sound or something, and you are like me who really need a good attention to get something done, then the ringtone alarm. And then create a vault, and we have the vault created. Now I'm going back. So this is the vault we created.
It's 12 o'clock.
So we already have seen which is already away. So why don't here, I'm just going one step back, and what I'm going to do is let's try to go near that location, and let's see if it is going to help us with understand. Actually going on the location, let me show you here. So I am going nearby. So it says ready to open, and because I'm on the same screen, it's not giving a notification, but if I go here, it start giving the alert like this. It's ringing, actually it have a sound. I will stop the alarm, and you see you are here. When I say you are here, I see I'm ready to open. I can open the vault. That allow me to open the location, the camera. I'm just opening the chest, and yes, time to grab your magical keys. So that is the quick demo, and you see it will keep popping me if I'm on the location. Now I'm going away from the location, and then soon enough, as we are not the location, so that is gone. And now if even I try to unlock this to see the message, I cannot. It is locked. So that's the demo.